Alright, YouTube, check it out. 2003 GMC Envoy. Ignition coil change. First time doing it. I did all 6. Took about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Not hard at all. But just want to get a video. I'll let you guys know if you have a GMC or a Trailblazer or any of these inline 6 and it starts running like a diesel. That's the problem right there. Ignition coils. It was only one that went bad. I changed it back there. Cylinder 6. But I figured if one goes bad, more than likely they're all going to start going bad. So I went ahead and just go ahead and change them all. And no sense of breaking down, being stuck on the side of the road. So, job done. I'm going to put it back together, fire her up, see how smooth she runs. I'll be back.